Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here, and today we're going to jump on a Harley. Going to go pick up my son. We're going to do something today, so stay tuned.
Goofy Bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear, windy canyons wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
So I am here at my kid's house, picking him up, obviously. And him and I are gonna go for a ride today. We have a destination in mind, but we'll share that when we get to it. And if he ever comes down, you know, you might be able to meet the kid. You know, the kid I call my son. So, here he is. So, where you at? There you are.
There I am.
There you are. This is my boy. This is my son. And he's going to be riding his, what year? 21? 21 Kawasaki Z400. And this is what we're going to be riding today. I got the Harley over there. He's got the Kawasaki. And like I said, we have a plan today. And we'll get back to that in a little bit. So we're out here cruising around, taking our ride, and we have a specific destination in mind, and he doesn't have a phone mount on his bike, so I have the GPS on here, and that's why I'm leading. Normally I would let him lead. This way he doesn't have to worry about keeping up with me. I can just keep up with him with his skill level, and but he's getting better, so I just got to remember that I have him behind me on it. You see him? He's back there. He is back there. So I just got to remember he's behind me and not to fuck around too much. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees today, but right now it's probably in the 60s, high 50s, low 60s, thereabouts. I haven't looked at the weather right now. Now, being out in my son's area, I haven't really ridden these roads too much, or at all, more like it. So he says there's some really nice roads out here, so we're going to find out. When he gets a little bit more experience under his belt, I really hope he gets a Bluetooth communicator so him and I can talk while we're riding. But he said he didn't want to get one yet because he doesn't want that distraction since he's still a new rider. Hey, look, Patrick, I'm standing up. Does it make me an ADV rider? Guys, we made it to our destination. Yeah, motorcycle shop. Can go and look at some bikes. Should I get rid of the Harley? We'll see. See if I can find something good in there. Yeah, Montgomeryville Cycle Center. I've actually bought 2 bikes from here before. I bought my Marauder, my 01 Marauder, and my 06 Mean Streak here. So we're gonna go in, take a look. Somebody got a new bike today. Wasn't me. I still have the Harley. This guy right here. This guy right here got a new bike. 2023 Yamaha R7. Was a demo bike, so it's brand new, basically. Got 500 miles on it. So he graduated from the 400, and this is what we were doing today. Buying his new motorcycle. Nice looking bike. I like the color a lot. Alright. We're going to finish up here and then get on the road. So we are out here on the road, and the boy is driving, and the boy is riding his new motorcycle, the R7. I think he's happy with getting out of that beginner bike, small bike, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so that's what we did today. We went to Montgomeryville Cycle Center, and my son bought another bike. Traded in the Kawasaki, and I actually I was looking, and honestly I wasn't impressed with their inventory. So they had a couple nice things I liked, but nothing that really drew me to it. So yeah, I didn't buy anything. I hadn't planned on buying anything, but you know, it's nice to look at, take a gander at stuff, you know what I mean? So we are going to ride home. Hope this is coming out. The cool thing about having cruise control. More roads I haven't been on. Alright guys, we're gonna go out and ride. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.